Episode of Racing to Learn. We are a nonprofit that gets kids excited about math and science. We're doing an unboxing here today of a donation. We got a bunch of RC stuff, and we're going to go through it here. So this is, it looks like a Toyota Hilux body. This is Tamiya circa early 90s, late 80s. So, kind of cool here, vintage stuff. It's not in the best shape, but not horrible either. Put that off to the side. This is looks like a CLK, Mercedes-Benz CLK AMG GTR. So this is kind of cool. I'm not sure if it's Tamiya that makes this body. But HPI it looks like. It's got some HPI stickers on it. So, conceivably, this is an HPI body. This is a Volvo station wagon body.
Mom, do you want me to pour the water out? Okay.
All right. Not sure who made this. It's a little bit thin, but looks like a 850 Volvo 850 or V70 or don't know a model exactly, but now these are the chassis. So these looks like these are two identical chassis. One has these. This probably went with that truck body there, but larger, off-road tread pattern tires. These are basically identical. You can see them here, just different wheels and tires. Perhaps different body mounts. This was missing a rear body mount. This one definitely, I'm not sure where these axles are. Hopefully they're in the box. But same exact, drivetrain, right? The front differential boxes are the same. It's a shaft-driven design, right? Back to the rear differential. So it's four-wheel drive. You can see the period correct Futaba AM receivers. There's a Novak reversible. These are brushed. This is before even brushless existed here. So this chassis looks like it needs some work. This one might be closer to working here. Oh, except this is busted. Looks like we can probably get a good chassis out of swapping the parts out of both of these. So this is, what is this? A green power. I think this is a Trinity motor. What does it say there? Japan. Epic. Not sure actually, but this is definitely not a stock motor. So conceivably it's a little bit hotter. Got a little more juice to it. We'll put these off to the side here. So hopefully we can make a complete chassis out of both of these. Some packing material here. A whole bunch of goodies in here. This is a Trinity Midnight motor. Replaceable brush design. A whole bunch of suspension, battery, wrenches, etc. in here. Now this will show you how old this is. This is Tower Hobbies 1400 milliamp hour rechargeable NiCads. So NiCads, nickel cadmium batteries, were effectively replaced by nickel metal hydride batteries. So this is definitely showing its period here. Novak, this is the box. Oh, this is the original speed controller for these cars was mechanical. So you'll see actually a servo arm will push this along, and this is a variable resistor or vario resistor. Here's the second part of that here. So depending on how far this arm is along in that path will determine the resistance and the speed, essentially the power that this thing puts out. Very inefficient because it's just a resistor versus, you know, the MOSFETs that are used in one of these electronic controllers. Yeah, it shows you the period that this came from. We'll put that back in here. We've got another box of goodies off here. I don't know what a computer fan is doing in there, but looks like there's some gears, some servos. Probably this is the canned motor or the brushed motor from one of those cars. Let's see what else we got here. So this is the transmitter. Looks like they have, actually there's two of them here. Futaba Magnum Sport, you know, resembles a, you know, a handgun. The grip, the pistol grip. It's AM. You know, so it uses a crystal back here. So it's got another sibling in here, probably the exact same. They are using different frequency crystals here. That's how these AM radios used to work. If you ran them on the same crystal, you would have interference issues. So the crystal's got a match between the transmitter and the receiver over here. You'll see a crystal over here, right? So just a walk back into time here, and there's a couple more things in here. What is this? I don't even know what this is. I'm not sure what that is. This is the old charger, Habaco 905. We have an updated or, you know, higher version or whatever, more premium version of that. A couple of nickel cadmium batteries. Those are probably not very useful. Yeah, so there we go. Let us know what you guys think. We'll be, you know, seeing, trying to identify these and, you know, hopefully making one chassis out of these two that runs. Looks like there's another nickel cadmium battery pack there. Looks like a Duratrax under there. Yeah, let us know what you guys think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks again for watching.